This is a sneak peek of the YJM 100. This, to all intents and purposes, looks like a 100 watt Super Lead Plexi. But when you go to the left-hand side, just to the left of the on-off switch, it says YJM as opposed to JMP. Y being Yngwie, J being whatever it is, J, and M being Malmsteen. This is the new Yngwie Malmsteen head. We're actually not going to be shipping this until March, but we're sneak peeking it just because it's been leaked to the internet enough that people are very excited about it, but they're also making guesses. They're postulating as to what it possibly could be. So we figured we'd show the thing, confirm the rumor is true, and also give people the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but. So, classic look on the front, exactly as Yngwie wanted it. I mean, Yngwie Malmsteen is one of the finest Marshall endorsees ever, and as much as his latest and greatest statement is, as far as he's concerned, when man is in space, there should be only two man-made objects you can visualize, you can see on the planet Earth: the Great Wall of China and his Marshall backline, God bless him. So, as he likes to say, less isn't more, less is less, and more is more. So, we've made this as a tribute to the man. As you can see from the box, it's deeper than your regular Plexi. It's like a Marshall major box. But this amp truly is a story of two sides. There's a front side and a back side. And let's look at the back story here. This is where it gets real interesting. Built-in foot switchable booster, made to Yngwie's exacting specs, because that's what he does. He plays 100 watt and 50 watt Marshalls combined with the booster in front with the gate. So gain and volume control here. Next to it, a noise gate exactly the same as the one on the Kerry King, meaning that it's intelligent. It won't just randomly cut off. If you're sustaining a note, it will let it die naturally before it decides to gate. Next to it, a foot switchable digital studio quality reverb, once again at Yngwie's request, because that's what he likes to do in a lot of the venues, just to make up for a lack of ambience. So all three of these are foot switchable, and for the happiness of the purists, when they're out of circuit, because it's a true bypass, the signal remains pure. Then we come over here to another switch, which is the goes from 100 watts to 50. As I said, Yngwie likes to mix. When he's running live, he normally uses two heads, one 100 and one 50. He likes the punch immediacy of the 100, but he also likes to mix it with the warmer, rounder, sort of Michael Schenker-ish vibe of a 50. It also has built-in auto biasing, valve fault indicators, and once again, it's got the electronical power attenuation I was talking about before on the slash, so we can go in 100 watt mode from 100 watts down to 1 watt at any point in between. Then when you click into 50 watt mode, from 50 down to 0.5, which makes it very useful for various sized venues and or studios and or bedrooms. A foot switchable effects loop, and last but by no means least, the foot controller works by Marshall's unique stumpware, meaning that the only thing you have to use to connect the foot switch with the amp itself is a regular guitar cord or cable, meaning you can have, you're never left playing on a big stage with the foot switch which is too short, where you look like an idiot because you've got to keep turning your back on the audience to switch the channels. And also, if your moron drummer drops a cymbal on your chord, which has been known to happen, you can replace it with a spare guitar cable. And if you don't have a spare guitar cable, you probably should be doing gigging because you're an idiot. This is a new Yngwie Malmsteen amp. It also comes with a Ferrari red cover, and watch here for more details, but it should be out in March/April. Like I said, we're just showing this to stop the internet rumors and confirm it exists and tell people what the real story is. Have a good one. See ya.